Welcome back to our Windows 10 tutorial series. In today's video, we will show you how to open apps with shortcut keys in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Start menu. Step 2. Navigate to the icon or tile for the app you want. If the app is not pinned as a tile, you can find it by clicking on All Apps and scrolling through the alphabetical list. Step 3. Right-click and press More. Step 4. Press Open File Location. Step 5. Right-click on the shortcut icon and select Properties. Step 6. Go to the Shortcut tab. Step 7. Enter a key combination in the shortcut key box. The combination must be CTRL plus ALT, plus a letter or number. By assigning a shortcut key to your favorite apps, you can open them quickly and conveniently, saving you time and effort. Whether it's a productivity tool, a game, or any other application, this feature will streamline your workflow and enhance your Windows 10 experience. Remember, you can customize the key combination to suit your preferences, but make sure it doesn't conflict with any existing shortcuts. So go ahead and give it a try. Open your most used apps with just a few keystrokes. Enjoy the efficiency and convenience that Windows 10 offers. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tricks. Stay tuned for our next video on optimizing your Windows 10 experience.